Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you're having a wonderful day, inshallah. Today is the following episode of the PostgreSQL series, and today you're going to learn how to use the keywords limit, offset, and fetch in SQL. So, let's get right into it. The keywords that I mentioned previously in the beginning of this video and are very helpful only at the time of querying data. Let's start by using the limit keyword. So select everything from employee, and let's use now here the limit keyword. As the name implies, and the limit keyword, what it's going to do is just limit a specific amount of data that we received of this query. So let's say that we want to limit it to 10 rows. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Sorry, you don't write actually in rows. Now let's press enter. So as you can see, we received in 10 rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And by the way, you're asking what happened to the employee of ID 2. Previously in the last video, when I was talking about how to update and delete data from a table, I deleted just for the sake of the tutorial, I deleted the employee of ID 2. So that's why you don't see it now here. Now let's use the offset keyword. Let's and select everything from employee. First of all, let me zoom in a bit. Employee. Now offset, and let's say 10. What is going to happen when I press enter? In the beginning, when I set limit to 10, I got it from employee that is of ID 11. So from that point here, that is the 10th row of all the records, is going to start after the employee, and that is from ID 11. Basically, just like after the row 10th. That's how it works here. If I were to type in 5 or set it to 5, it will start after the 5 and the 5th row. So let's offset it to 10. So as you can see, it starts from the ID 12, not like an ID 11. Now I'm gonna be talking about the fetch and keyword, but before I start doing that, I'm gonna explain to you a bit of history for what I have found and reading. Is that the limit keyword doesn't go along with the SQL standards. Basically, what just happened is that in all databases, it was widely used, the limit and keyword, and then it became a thing. But the official way and how to limit a specific amount of data that we can receive from a query is by using the fetch keyword. The way that it works is just the following here. Select everything from employee. Let's now use here fetch. And now here we're gonna type the following. Fetch it to the first, let's say in 5 and rows only. Basically it's gonna work and in the beginning just like and limit it to 10, but instead of being 10 it's gonna be in 5 rows. If I press enter, as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it with 10 now. As you can see how it was previously in the beginning using the limit keyword, and we can just leave it just to first. I delete. I'm just gonna receive the first row of the query, so you can see jump. So this is everything for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends or family members if they also find this video valuable, and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos, inshallah. I will see you the next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.